There are so many AI workflow tools available out there. You may be sitting on the fence and wondering which one should I actually be using? Well, today we are going to put n8n and Windmill head to head in a comparison. We are going to figure out what features they offer and why you should actually be using them. So let's do it. All right, so we are in n8n now, and n8n is a powerful workflow automation platform which enables businesses to connect their tools and automate tasks through a visual editor. Now, if you're a visual thinker, this is perfect. It's got more than 400 integrations and support for custom code. It empowers both technical and non-technical users to create sophisticated workflows without any limitations. You can also see over here that it has an intuitive no-code interface for building complex automations. It has, as I mentioned before, more than 400 built-in nodes for SaaS, databases, and cloud services. And it's got embedded JavaScript or Python, which is directly into your workflow. It has dedicated nodes for generative AI, as well as complex logic tasks. You can also see over here that it seamlessly syncs data between CRMs and marketing tools for streamlining your customer acquisitions. It also allows you to schedule routine database backups with configurable notification systems, and you can generate email summaries and route critical information to team collaboration tools. This is awesome. All right, we're looking at Windmill now. So Windmill is a powerful script-first workflow automation platform that bridges the gap between developers and business users. It provides a robust environment for creating, scheduling, and monitoring more complex automations using more familiar programming languages while maintaining enterprise-grade security. You can also see over here that it is native support for Python, TypeScript, and Bash scripts, and it has a powerful orchestration for complex automation sequences. It also has built-in artifact and secret management for protected deployments, which is absolutely amazing. The last thing that you can see over here is that it has the ability to manage cloud services and infrastructures as code with version-controlled workflows. You can also schedule and monitor complex ETL jobs with built-in validation checks. And you can rapidly build and deploy workflow-based administration tools for your team. If you're looking for a versatile app, then Windmill is pretty amazing. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, a software comparison. Now you can actually see what benefits and features are offered, and you can make a decision as to which one is best for you according to your own needs. My personal advice is to go out and use them all. See what works for you in a real life scenario and then make a decision thereafter. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.